Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to sort data in Microsoft Excel based on multiple columns. As you can see in the screen, here I have a salary data that is employee name, the department and salary. The requirement here is to sort the departments in A to G order and at the same time sort the salary in largest to smallest order. So to do this, first of all select the data. Then go to Data tab, click on Sort. In this column, select the Department column and here take this A to G order. Now to add another column, click on this Add Label and here select the Salary and here in the order take largest to smallest order. Now click on OK. Here you see the department is sorted alphabetically and the salary is sorted in largest to the smallest order for every single department. So this is how we can do multi-column sorting in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video.